Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You put the headset on and start immediately. Check the firmware and app are current so features work. Next, open Settings and enable hand tracking in the device or experimental menu. This activates the tracking engine. While wearing the headset, hold your hands in front of both cameras to confirm visibility. Once done, make sure the area is free of clutter and has moderate lighting so the cameras can see fingers and gestures reliably. You now run the built-in hand tracking tutorial and follow each prompt slowly. This trains the system to recognize your hands. Practice pinch, point, and grab gestures, holding each for about 0.5 to 1 second so the software reliably registers intent. If tracking feels jittery, move slightly closer or farther. About arm's length works. Change the angle so cameras see fingertips. And repeat gestures, deliberately, until you finish by fine-tuning sensitivity and lighting to reduce false inputs. Dim harsh backlight, add soft front light, or tweak camera exposure if available. If gestures stop working, toggle hand tracking off and on, or rerun the tutorial to recalibrate recognition. Finally, restart the headset when behavior persists. If hardware still misbehaves, test with another app and contact support. One quick tip: reposition your hands at chest level. This fixes most occlusion and visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.